are used in soups and stews. Lingonberries, cloudberries, and blueberries are commonly used in sauces, jams, and desserts, while mushrooms such as chanterelles and porcini are used in soups and stews. Finnish berry and mushroom dishes are often served with meat or fish, adding a unique and flavorful twist to traditional dishes. Finally, no article about Finnish cuisine would be complete without mentioning mämmi, a traditional Finnish Easter dessert. Mämmi is a sweet, brown pudding made from rye flour, malted rye, and water. It is typically flavored with molasses, cinnamon, and orange zest, and then baked in the oven for several hours until it is firm and pudding-like in texture. It is typically flavored with molasses, cinnamon, and orange zest, and then baked in the oven for several hours until it is firm and pudding-like in texture. Mämmi is typically served cold with cream or milk and is a beloved Easter treat in Finland. In addition to the dishes mentioned above, there are a few other notable foods and ingredients that are commonly used in Finnish cuisine. One of these is liipajuusto, also known as Finnish squeaky cheese. This is a mild cheese that is made from cow's milk and has a distinctive rubbery texture. It is often served warm with cloudberry jam as a dessert or snack. Another ingredient that is widely used in Finnish cuisine is rye bread. This dense, dark bread is a staple in Finland and is often served with butter or cheese. It is also used as a base for open-faced sandwiches, which are a popular lunch option in Finland. Finnish cuisine also features a range of pickled and fermented foods, such as pickled herring, sauerkraut, and fermented milk products like kefir and quark. Finnish cuisine also features a range of pickled and fermented foods, such as pickled herring, sauerkraut, and fermented milk products like kefir and quark. These foods are not only delicious but also offer a range of health benefits, as they are rich in probiotics and other nutrients. Finally, Finnish cuisine is also known for its use of wild game, such as elk, bear, and wild boar. These meats are typically leaner and more flavorful than domesticated meats and are often prepared in stews or roasted with root vegetables. Overall, Finnish cuisine is a unique and delicious culinary tradition that is worth exploring. Whether you are a fan of fish, meat, or vegetarian cuisine, you are sure to find something to love in the diverse and flavorful dishes of Finland. Street food is not as common in Finland as it is in some other countries, but there are still a few popular street food options that you can find in Helsinki and other cities. Street food is not as common in Finland as it is in some other countries, but there are still a few popular street food options that you can find in Helsinki and other cities. One of the most popular street foods in Finland is makara or Finnish sausage. These sausages are made from a variety of meats, including pork, beef, and reindeer, and are often grilled or cooked over an open flame. They are typically served on a bun with mustard, ketchup, and other toppings. Another popular street food in Finland is lihaparakka or meat pies. These are small, savory pies that are filled with seasoned meat, usually beef or pork, and wrapped in a thin, flaky pastry. They are often sold at street vendors or in convenience stores and are a popular snack or quick meal. In addition to these traditional Finnish street foods, Helsinki has also seen a rise in international street food options in recent years.